All right, so when you're logging in for the first time in your Chromebook, when you open it up, it'll give you a screen that looks similar to this. So you'd go ahead and click on Let's Go. Once you click on Let's Go, it's going to take you to another screen. And that screen is going to look like this. Whatever network you're connecting to, by network, I mean the internet. So if you're connecting to the home internet or the hotspot or whatever it is that you're using for internet, that's what you would click on. When you click on that, it's going to ask you to enter the username and password to your internet. If it's the one that for the hotspot, you put it in for that. If it's your home internet username and password, you would use that one. Uh, After you do that, it'll give you a screen that looks like this. This is basically telling you all the terms of Google and everything that it entails. You would go ahead and click on accept and continue. Once you accept and continue, it's going to ask you to sign into your Chromebook, which is your student, your child, the student's email. Um, Remember that the format of the student's name is going to be the student, for instance, justin.yepes.stu@clint.net. The first name dot last name dot stu@clint.net. That's what you would need to enter for the email. Once you enter that, you'll click on the next button, and it's going to ask you for the password. The password is very similar to the password that they needed for their iPads before, but it's the @ symbol, the first initial capitalized, their last initial capitalized, and then their ID number. So it's the @ symbol, first initial capitalized, last initial capitalized, ID number. Then they'd go ahead and click on next, and then that's all they would need to do so that they can go ahead and fully log on to their Chromebook. All right, so once you've logged in, you will get a screen that looks like this one, similar to this one right here. When you do, you can just click on sign in. And then on this part, you'll go ahead and enter your email. I'll go ahead and enter mine. After you've entered your email, then it's going to ask you for your password. So then you go ahead and enter your password. Once you've entered your password, you may get a box that looks similar to the one that you see on my screen. If you do, go ahead and click on link data. This will link anything that you have done under your Google account on any other device. So go ahead and click on link data. And then you'll put yes, I am in. And then once you've done that, you'll see that on this top right, if you were to click on it, you'll see that you get your profile up here. And that is how you'll know that you have logged in. Now, you may get a lot of pop-ups once you log in. It's everything that's transferring from anything you have done in a previous device, being an iPad or a different Chromebook, and it's all coming onto your new device. If you don't get that screen that you saw at the beginning, all you would have to do is come over here and click on this, and it shouldn't show another account. If it does, all you would have to do is click on add, enter the name, and then I'm just going to click on you would click on whatever icon it is that you would want for it to show, add, and then once again you would follow the same steps as before. But it's not something that you should have to do, but in case the problem does come up, you do know that that's how you would go around that. Hope that helps. Thank you.